Hello students, this is Shravan Kumar, your teacher who taught you in last class sentence formation, in which I taught you that if sentences end with the word na hai, then what will be the formation? And the formation was, do you remember, subject plus has, have plus infinitive plus object. And we also learned affirmative, yes no question negative, WH question negative and negative. You learned through how many ways? Through 6 ways you learned. Affirmative, question negative, WH negative and then negative. So through 6 ways, and these are the ways only. And if a person is able to speak, write sentences based on 6 that I have already told you, you will see now nothing is left. Everything is clear. So today we shall start another formation. Another formation is now na pada. If sentence end with ना पड़ा, for example, मुझे जाना पड़ा, मुझे कहना पड़ा, मुझे परीक्षा देनी पड़ी. So let us see what will be the structure. Subject plus had plus infinitive plus object. You already know what infinitive is because I taught you in last class. 2 plus V1 present form. So let us see. मुझे बाजार जाना पड़ा. Simple. I had to go to market. उसको गाना गाना पड़ा. He had to sing a song. See, मुझे बाजार जाना पड़ा. I had to go to market. उसको गाना गाना पड़ा. He had to sing a song. Is it okay? Is it difficult? Now, yes no question. Did plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object plus question mark. See, earlier what would people do? Had is kept in the beginning and then subject was kept. Nowadays also many people do like this, but that is old style and this is new style. So you must learn new. So let us see. क्या उसको घर पर ठहरना पड़ा? What shall we speak? Did he have to stay at home? Did he have to stay at home? क्या तुम्हें उसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब देना पड़ा? मुंह तोड़ जवाब देना पड़ा. क्या तुम्हें उसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब देना पड़ा? What shall we say? Did you have to retort him? Retort means मुंह तोड़ जवाब देना। डिड यू हैव टू रिटॉर्ट हिम? सो इजी। नाउ लेट अस सी yes no negative, didn't, subject plus have plus infinitive plus object, then question mark. See, क्या उसको वहां से नहीं लौटना पड़ा? What shall we say? Didn't he have to return from there? Didn't he have to return from there? क्या तुम्हें अंग्रेजी में जवाब नहीं देना पड़ा? What shall we say? Didn't you have to reply in English? See here, क्या उसको वहां से नहीं लौटना पड़ा? Didn't he have to return from there? क्या तुम्हें अंग्रेजी में जवाब नहीं देना पड़ा? Didn't you have to reply in English? Now WH question. WH question plus did plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object then question mark. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उसको कितना कमाना पड़ा? What shall we say? How much did he have to earn? तुम्हें कौन सा गाना गाना पड़ा? तुम्हें कौन सा गाना गाना पड़ा? What shall we say? Which song did you have to sing? See, which song did you have to sing? Now let us see. Now WH negative. WH question plus didn't plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object then question mark. See, उसको अंग्रेजी में जवाब क्यों नहीं देना पड़ा? What shall we say? Why didn't he have to reply in English? Why didn't he have to reply in English? उसको कब वहाँ नहीं जाना पड़ा? What shall we say? When didn't he have to go there? See, let us see how easy they are. Aren't they easy? See, if you practice on them, your English will be automatically and spontaneously you will start speaking. I am speaking very categorically. Is it okay? Now you will see. Now negative. Now negative. Subject plus didn't plus have plus infinitive plus object. एग्जाम्पल, मुझे उसको वहां से नहीं भगाना पड़ा. What shall we say? I didn't have to drive him away from there. Drive him away from there. Drive away means भगाना. Run away means भागना. Flee means भागना. ड्राइव अवे मीन्स भगाना. चेस अवे मीन्स खदेड़ कर भगाना. इज इट ओके? हमें उसको वहां से नहीं बुलाना पड़ा. व्हाट शैल वी से? वी डिडंट हैव टू call him from there. See, मुझे उसको वहां से नहीं भगाना पड़ा. I didn't have to drive him away from there. हमें उसको वहां से नहीं बुलाना पड़ा. We didn't have to call him from there. Is it clear? So I will teach you a step by a step, and all formations will be very clear to you, and you will get them by heart. And by getting them heart, you will feel that, as I told you also, automatically, spontaneously, you will start speaking, writing, translating, and also solving all sort of grammatical problems very smoothly, without any hesitation or any confusion. Are you getting or not? So only I have given, that is, I am not giving you burden. I am teaching you step by step, so that because you are okay, many teachers are also teaching you mathematics, chemistry, physics, and so on and so forth. So I am also giving in the middle, because on your request कि sir should start such a thing, because you are also feeling boring at home. So learn. This is your very golden chance. And if you are having any problem, share with me. I will try to solve those problems. Thank you very much. Next day I will teach you more and more. Thank you very much.